Hi, I'm Judd from Careers UK and I'm here to talk about how to make a masterpiece CV. Having a good CV is essential to getting a job because it's the first thing that an employer will read about you. If your CV lacks key features or looks messy, it's highly likely that any employer won't take your application any further. To ensure that you're making the best possible impression to employers, you should take the time to ensure your CV is as impressive and professional as it could possibly be. To get started on writing your CV, there are many online templates that will help you create the right layout. However, try not to rely on these too heavily because you want your CV to stand out from the rest. It's important to keep your CV clean and simple, so it will make it easy for employers to read. Although it can be tempting to use bright colours, it isn't needed and will likely make your CV look less professional. Instead, keep to using easy to read fonts such as Arial and use headings and bullet points to keep it tidy. In addition to this, make sure your name and contact details are at the top of the CV, as this is what employers will read first. Below your contact details, you should include a personal statement, which is roughly 4 lines long. The purpose of this is to give a brief overview of your experience and career goals. You should try not to use phrases such as "I am a hard worker" because they tend not to give a lot of information to employers. Instead, show these statements with your experience. There isn't really a set rule on how long your CV should be, but it's a good rule to keep it to 2 or 3 pages maximum. This is where cherry picking your most relevant information comes into play. On the other hand, if you're struggling to think of job titles that are related to the job you're applying for, create another section about your academic achievements. There, you can show your overall skills that are relevant to the job role. Something to remember when writing about your experiences or employment history is the gaps between jobs. These can be seen as red flags. To avoid this, simply write a brief explanation of why you've been out of work. Most jobs will ask to provide 3 separate references. Depending on the employer, they could ask for either professional or character references, so be prepared for both. Put these at the bottom of your CV, or, if you prefer, you can write references available upon request. Some employers may ask you for a cover letter. This is a great opportunity to add anything that you didn't have a chance to mention in your CV. For example, you can talk about why your personality would be perfect for that specific job role. In addition to this, make sure you include links to supporting documents that are relevant to your application, such as websites, online portfolios, and professional social medias. The last tip for writing your CV is to keep it current. You should always be adding things such as experiences, even when you are employed, as you can never be sure when another opportunity will come along. I hope this video helps you to understand how to create a professional CV. Do you have any other tips for creating a CV? Tell us in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the other Careers UK videos on our channel. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.